Here is the octopus from the superstore, and I'm boiling some water. We'll put some olive oil in the water. Next is some salt. 2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons are fine. And next I'll add some garlic and ginger paste. You can see the water is boiling now. And put the octopus inside the water, take it up, again put inside the water, take it up, and finally you can put it in the water and let it boil for some time. Also, there is a trick mostly used in Italy to use this cork from red wine. You can put the cork here, so there is a believing that it will make it tender, and the octopus tender. Now you can see the color of water is also changing. After this, let's fry the octopus with some boiled potatoes. Don't have to fry a lot, just do a saute. Now the octopus dish is ready. So you can serve it with some salad like onion, tomato. Thank you.